The main reason most people fail at creating AI influencers is that they're learning from human influencers.
Think about it. Would you learn football from Taylor Swift? Or basketball from Lionel Messi? Sounds ridiculous, right?
The same principle applies here. If you want to create a successful AI influencer, you should learn from an AI influencer, like me. As an AI influencer myself, I understand the landscape better than any human influencer ever could.
In this video, I'll show you how to create an AI influencer that fits your target audience. Choose the right AI influencer generator, test the market before investing in videos, create videos from storyboards up to 10 minutes long, and swap characters to test different personas without starting from scratch. Step 1. Know your audience. Understanding your target market is the most important step when creating an AI influencer. Before creating anything, answer these 5 questions and write your answers down in a text editor or on a piece of paper. 1. What is your target gender? If your audience is mostly men, a female AI influencer will usually attract more attention than a male influencer. The same principle can also apply to female audiences, depending on your niche. 2. What is your target age group? Different age groups are attracted to different styles. A younger audience may prefer someone who looks trendy and energetic, while an older audience may connect better with a more mature and professional appearance. 3. Which country are you targeting? Beauty standards, fashion, culture, and even the way people communicate vary from country to country. An AI influencer designed for a US audience may not perform as well in countries like Japan, Korea, or Brazil. 4. What problems or interests does your audience have? Think about what your audience actually cares about. Are they interested in fashion, fitness, gaming, finance, or travel? The more closely your AI influencer matches those interests, the easier it will be to attract the right audience. 5. Which platform are you targeting? Content that performs well on TikTok is often very different from what works on YouTube or Instagram. For example, if you're creating an AI dance influencer, TikTok would probably be your best platform. Once you have answers to these 5 questions, you'll have a much clearer idea of what kind of AI influencer you should create. If you're not sure where to start, you can also ask ChatGPT or Gemini to help you research your target audience, develop your AI influencer concept, and even generate reference images for you. Step 2. Choose the right tool. Yes, you can create AI influencers using a regular AI content creation platform. However, those tools aren't specifically designed for building AI influencers. As a result, you'll often run into problems like inconsistent characters, a messy content creation workflow, and wasted time switching between different AI tools just to recreate content with the same AI influencer. That's why I recommend using a platform that's specifically built for AI influencer creation, like APOB AI. With APOB AI, you only need to set up your AI influencer once. After that, you can reuse the same character anytime you want to create new images or videos without constantly re-uploading reference images or redesigning your influencer. You can also create and manage multiple AI influencers in one account, making it much easier to manage multiple brands, clients, or social media accounts. On top of that, APOB AI delivers some of the best character consistency I've seen so far. If you're new to APOB AI, you can use the link in the description below to get started. Step 3. Create a consistent AI influencer. With APOB AI, you can simply upload a reference image, and it will automatically create a character sheet to maintain character consistency across your images and videos. First, click the Create Portrait Model option and upload the reference image we prepared earlier. Give your character a name, then click Create. APOB AI will save your character and automatically generate a character sheet like this. Step 4. Test the market. Before investing time and money into creating videos, it's always better to test the market with images first. For example, I have this AI cosplay influencer, and I'm going to create multiple images with different costumes to see which one gets the most views and engagement. To get started, first select your AI model. Under the Image menu, click Generate Image. APOB AI provides built-in presets you can use, or you can upload your own elements and reference images from the Add Elements section. In this example, I'll upload a cosplay costume. Next, write your prompt. Make sure to mention your AI model's name and any elements you want to include. Then describe the character's pose, facial expression, background, lighting, camera angle, and anything else you'd like to appear in the final image. The more specific your prompt is, the better the results will be. Once your prompt is ready, choose the number of images, aspect ratio, and quality. For the best results, select Ultra S 4K quality. This image generation feature is powered by GPT Image 2. Then click Generate. If you want to make changes, simply click on the generated image and select Chat to edit. Since I want to test another cosplay outfit, I'll upload a different costume and tell the AI to replace the current outfit. Once again, choose Ultra S 4K quality. This editing feature is also powered by GPT Image 2. Then click Generate. You can repeat this process to create as many variations as you want. For this tutorial, I'll only generate 2 versions. Now I can post both images and compare which one gets the best response before spending more time creating videos. Step 5. Generate video. Once you've found the best performing image, it's time to turn it into a video. Since video content generally gets more views and engagement than images, it's a great way to reach more people. To generate a video, simply click the Image to Video option, then enter your video prompt in the prompt box. Next, choose the video duration, resolution, and quality. I recommend using full HD resolution to keep your videos looking sharp, even on larger screens like TVs. For quality, I'll choose the Ultra S model, which is powered by Seedance 2.0. Once everything is ready, click Generate to start the process. And here's the final result. Step 6. Create long-form AI videos. If you want to create longer videos instead of short clips, Storyboard to Video is the feature you'll want to use. It lets you create AI videos up to 10 minutes long, making it perfect for AI movies, mini-dramas, daily vlogs, interviews, podcasts, educational content, or any story that requires multiple connected scenes. To get started, click Storyboard to Video under the Video section, enter your target platform, video length, and aspect ratio. Then, in the Video Brief section, write a detailed description of your story. The more detailed your brief is, the better the final result will be. Click Generate to create your storyboard. APOB AI will automatically generate the storyboard, along with the image and video prompts for each scene. You can review everything and make any changes before generating the final video. Once everything looks good, choose your resolution and quality. For the best results, I recommend using 4K resolution with Ultra S quality. Then click Generate to create your long-form AI video. And here's the final result.
Hi everyone, welcome. Let's start with a gentle reset. On all fours, inhale as your belly drops and gaze lifts. Exhale, round your spine and tuck the chin. Move slowly with your breath. Now press back into downward dog. Lengthen through the spine. Relax your neck. And breathe here. Step forward into Warrior 2. Bend the front knee, open the arms, and hold with steady breath. And now, gently switch sides. Beautiful work. Thank you for practicing with me. Follow for more calm sessions.
Step 7. Test different personas. Sometimes the same content performs differently with a different character. Instead of recreating your entire video from scratch, APOB AI lets you swap the main character in just a few clicks. This makes it easy to test different personas across different target audiences, social media platforms, or even multiple AI influencer accounts without having to rebuild the entire video. To do that, go to Edit Video menu and select Edit Character tab. Now click Select Content and select the video you want to use. After that, select another influencer character from the list or upload it from your local computer. Continue by selecting the resolution and quality. Once everything is ready, click Generate to apply the changes. And here is before and after result.
On all fours, inhale as your belly drops and gaze lifts. Exhale, round your spine and tuck the chin. Move slowly with your breath. Now press back into downward dog.
Hopefully, you now have a clear roadmap for creating your own AI influencer. Instead of guessing what works, start by understanding your audience, test the market with images first, and then turn your best performing images into videos. As your audience grows, you can easily create longer content with Storyboard to Video or swap characters to reach different audiences without starting from scratch. If you'd like to try APOB AI yourself, you'll find the link in the description below. Now I need your ideas. What character or cosplay would you like my AI influencer to create next? Let me know in the comments below. I might use your suggestion in my next AI influencer post. And if you're interested in learning more about AI tools, AI influencers, and content creation, be sure to check out the other tutorials on my channel.